How to permanently erase all data from drives and storage devices. Try SysTools Data Wipe software. Let's discuss key features. Military-grade data erasure. Permanently wipes data using advanced algorithms, USDOD, Gutman, GOST-R, to prevent recovery. Certified and compliant. Meets 20-plus global standards, NIST, ISO, DoD, for secure, audit-ready data disposal. Versatile wipe options. Erases partitions, files, or folders on any device, HDD, SSD, NVMe, including caches and logs. Detailed reports. Provides verified wipe logs and audit-ready reports for full accountability. To download the software, open Google and search for SysTools Data Wipe software. Now click on the first link. Then click on the download button. Once downloaded, simply install the software on your system. First, review the data that we want to permanently delete. This is the data we'll wipe. Now, launch the SysTools Data Wipe software. This is the interface of the SysTools Data Wipe software. Using this tool, you can securely erase data from various types of storage systems. By selecting the disk option, you can wipe entire hard drives or SSDs. The partition option lets you erase specific drives like C, D, or E. The pen drive option is for external devices such as USB drives and SD cards. Additionally, the file and folder option allows you to wipe specific files or folders. For this demonstration, we'll proceed with the file and folder option. You can select whichever option suits your needs by simply clicking on it. Once you choose the file and folder option, you'll be prompted to select the items you want to wipe. There are two choices. You can either select folder option for one or multiple folders, which is helpful for larger sets of data, or choose select file option for individual files if you only need to erase specific items. For this example, we'll go with the folder selection, though you can choose the file option if needed. Now select the folder that you want to erase permanently. After selecting the folder you want to wipe, click the OK button to confirm your selection. Then, click the Next button at the bottom of the screen to proceed. Now, you need to select a data wipe method. Simple methods are fast but offer basic level security. Standard methods provide a good balance between speed and effectiveness. They take a bit more time but give better results. Complex methods take the longest but offer the highest level of security, making the data completely unrecoverable by any software or method. For this demonstration, we'll go with the simple method, 0. Users can choose a different option based on their requirements. After selecting the wipe method, click the wipe button at the bottom to proceed. A warning message will appear, stating that all selected data will be permanently deleted. Click Yes to continue. The tool will ask for confirmation once again to ensure you're sure about proceeding. Click Yes again. Once the process is complete, a message will confirm that the wipe was successful. You'll also be asked if you want to generate a report. If you'd like a report of the wipe process, click Yes. The report displays the file names along with their paths. In the right columns, you'll see the folder size, and the last column shows wipe status, which shows as completed. Below, the total file count is displayed. Here, it's 1982. The success count also shows 1982, and the failed count is 0, indicating that all files were wiped successfully. The report also mentions the wipe method used, which in this case is 0, 1 pass. You can save this report by clicking the Save Report button at the bottom. Now it's time to check the folder that was wiped. Open the folder. And as you can see, it's empty. That's how you can securely erase data using military-grade standards. Log on to the product page for more details or to purchase the product. For any queries, email us at support@SysToolsGroup.com.